Hello again, NSA students. Now, another tool that I was talking about is called a traceroute. Now, a traceroute finds the sequence of gateways travel uh, between your machine, a particular machine, where the original traceroute is done to a particular target machine. Right? So, how it works is by increasing the time to leave of a packet sent, uh, traceroute will try to find time uh, the time it takes to send and get back a packet from a particular machine, right? So let's try to play around with traceroute and see what traceroute can do, right? So most machines have traceroute. On Windows we call it I think Windows have the same traceroute as well, right? So I think in Windows they call it traceRT or traceRT, right? In Linux here traceroute would work fine. Let's say we want to traceroute into iium.edu.my again, right? Our favorite university that we want to find out, right? Now because UIA has very strict conditions as for sending ICMP packets to it, we might not be able to get uh, results right towards the end here. But it will give us a partial result somewhere, right? Alright, so let's look at this. Let's look at the results that's coming out. So I'm actually doing this from my home, so from a streaming connection. So uh, from 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 Telecom, streaming from Telecom Malaysia. So if you can see traceroute to iium.edu.my, I'll get the external IP address, right? So first it comes from my house. This is the net for my router, right? And it'll give me some certain statistical values over here, and then it will tell me the next machine routers, right? And then this is the next router that it goes to. It goes to Time Malaysia. So you can see that as it goes out from my machine, it goes to telecom servers. Now Time is supposed to be one of the Malaysian servers. Uh, uh, One of the Malaysian servers that actually service IIUM as for providing networks for IIUM, right? So as you can see now, it's trying to approach IIUM, and eventually it finds www.iium.edu.my, right? So this is the path it takes, and there's about 10 machines that I go through to reach iium.edu.my, right? So it'll be interesting to find out some traceroute information, right? So between you and a particular machine, right? So a traceroute can tell you a lot about things, particularly like how long does it take for you to reach a particular host or particular machine, right? How many servers are in between you and that particular machine, right? So if you go to man traceroute, it will tell you a lot of other information you can do as for modifying the source port, and yeah, you can set the minimum number of queries that you want. Okay, so check out what it can do, right? So other than that, this is great to particularly just figure out how, or how far are you from a particular network, whether your packets are moving towards the right locations, or these are all the gateways that it should be going out to. Like my first point was 192.168.1.1, this is the first gateway for all the network in my local network, right? In my house, for example. Now this would be the non-local network outside of outside from my particular router, right? So all of this is going through a particular gateway until it reaches iim.edu.my. And also what's interesting is that it provides statistics of, where do you think this would be uh, causing all the bottleneck, right? So as you can see right here in my house, is quite fast. It starts to slow down when I move outside of my own local network, but it looks like this is the one of the major concerns of the delay, right? And IIM itself, right? All right. So okay, this is fine. This is very good. Next we're gonna learn about how to use other tools like R, and in the next video lecture. So I'll see you in the next video lecture, uh, coming soon, right? uh, Bye bye for now.